there is tons of opportunity here. I would jump on this. In this video, I'm going to provide an overview and review of the Walmart affiliate program. I'm going to let you know some of the ins, the outs, the programs or departments you should promote, and things that you should stay away from. Watch this entire video to learn how to get started right now. For the best tips and tricks to learn affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell so you're notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, if you want my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Hello, I'm Alston with alstongodbolt.com. I'm an affiliate marketer and internet entrepreneur who has helped thousands of people across multiple platforms make passive income with affiliate marketing, and today I want to help you. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look and talk about the Walmart affiliate program. Now, the Walmart affiliate program is one of the many affiliate programs that are out there. You know about Walmart, you know about affiliate marketing. Hopefully you're on this channel. So let's not waste any time. Let's talk about some of the good, the bad, and potentially what you should stay away from. Now, the Walmart affiliate program pays up to a 10% commission on the products, but when we say up to, we know that most of the products are going to be significantly lower. And so what we want to do is we want to find the products that are going to pay us the highest commission. Now, whenever you think about Walmart, you're always trying to compare and contrast Walmart versus Amazon. And we know that Amazon pays on average about a 3.5% commission for most of its products. In fact, usually it's a little bit lower depending on some factors. And we also know that Amazon pays within 24 hours. So a customer has to click the link and buy within 24 hours or you don't receive a commission. With Walmart, they have a 3-day affiliate window or affiliate cookie. So if someone clicks the link today and maybe they buy 2 or 3 days from now, you can still potentially get paid on the products that you're promoting. So #1, benefit over Amazon. They pay up to 10% depending on the product. #2, their affiliate window or their affiliate cookie is longer by 2 days, so 3 days versus 24 hours. But let's go ahead and take a look at some of the products that you should promote. Right now, I'm at affiliates.walmart.com. As you can see here, you click on become a member, and that'll take you over to this page. Now, I'm not going to waste your time and show you how to fill everything out. This is actually managed by Impact. It's a third-party platform, and so they actually will handle all of the payouts and commissions and stuff. You're just promoting products over on Walmart. So I scroll down to the affiliate agreement, and as we can see here, a lot of the products are 1% commission. We want to stay away from those. There's $10 here, there's 0. What we're looking at here is we're looking at this 4% commission. In this category here, these categories are going to pay 0.5% higher than over on Amazon. So we want to take a look at a few of these. So I've highlighted a few different areas. Hardware and tools would be a good opportunity. Personal care, good opportunity. Pets and supplies. So just what we know that Amazon will pay up to a 3.5% commission. We know that Target, and I covered Target either yesterday or a few days ago, depending on when you're watching this video, Target will pay like a 1% commission on personal care. So if we wanted to promote personal care, it would be better to do it through Walmart. And the great thing with affiliate marketing is that you don't have an exclusive contract with one of these companies. You could sign up for Amazon, Walmart, Best Buy, Target, everything, and then just figure out which one works, which one pays the most, and then put those affiliate links where they need to go. But what I would do for this video is I would look at the pets and supplies. Now, if you have a pet or if you know anybody that has a pet, they love to spend money on their dogs. Dog treats, dog toys, clothing for some people. That is a very big business. It's one of the biggest niches out there because people love to spend money, love to invest money into their animal care. So what I would do, there's a few ways that I would do it. I would first look over on Amazon and look at all of the pet products and pet supplies. As you can see, there are different sub niches. You can promote everything from normal traditional pets like dogs and cats and horses and farm animals. So there is a lot of opportunity in here, and I'm going to show you exactly what you should do. If you scroll down here, you can look and see there are a number of opportunities. You can promote dog crates and cat toys and all sorts of stuff. You can promote based on different brands. There's just a lot of opportunity where you really have your choice of what you could do. Now, what I've done, and there's a few ways to do it. You could create a website, or you can create a blog, or you can create a YouTube channel about pets. which is going to be a very good opportunity. I'm going to show you that right now. So what I've done is I've jumped over to the Keyword Explorer and I've just typed in pets. This is an Ahrefs. You don't need to use this tool. I just like to use it to kind of illustrate how easy or difficult it could be to compete for some keywords or keyword phrases. So I typed in pets, very general, top level keyword, and it's super hard. Of course, it's going to be super hard because pets encompasses everything. So you're going to be dealing with major players. What we could do is we could go down to phrase match, and then we could change the keyword difficulty to, let's say, 5 or 10, and that's going to give us a better idea of potential blog posts that we could compete on. Now, what I would do is I would not write on any of these because it's too general, it's too broad. If we jump over to Walmart.com here, you can see they have it niched down by different pets. What we could do is we could create a website about bird supplies. Instead of creating content about pets in general, let's talk about a subsection of the pets. Bird feeders could be a good one. So if we jump over to Walmart here, let's talk about species. So let's talk about or sort by cockatiel birds. That's going to be niched down where it's going to be less competitive. It's still probably going to be a little competitive, but it's going to be much less competitive than just talking about pets. And that's a mistake that some people make, is when they create content, they create content too general, too broad. So I'm going to go back over here and I'm just going to type in cockatiels. Now you want to make sure that you are doing more keyword research than just this top level stuff here. But as you can see here, when I type in cockatiel, this green means it's a lot less competitive. Even if I don't have any keyword difficulty sorted, but as you can see, you could potentially create content on different types of cockatiels and then add in your affiliate link over to Walmart. So if let's do pearl cockatiel here, we're going to copy and paste this right over into Google, paste that there like so. And as you can see, it's going to show you that it's not as competitive than just talking about pets. We could even niche down here and say, how much does a pearl cockatiel cost? And as you can see, there is going to be even more opportunity. So what I recommend that you do, and this is going to be probably something that you could compete for, is if you are going to take advantage of the Walmart affiliate program, which I think you should, I would look at doing pets, and then I would look at niching down. And the cool thing is Walmart actually kind of takes care of that for you. So again, we went to pets, and then within pets, it lets you niche down into different subsections of pets because they do that for you. Let's say we wanted to talk about horse supplies. Under horse supplies, again, it's going to give us savings by horse. We can talk about different grooming for horse. These are all going to be buyers keywords where people are going to want to spend money. And then if you do the math, you can see 4% of some of these is going to be decent money. And as long as you're getting enough traffic, you can start making some income. So one way is to create a blog, and I showed you that there is some opportunity in here. If you niche down, let's do female cockatiel. We're going to niche down even more, and we're going to hit enter under female cockatiel. And as you can see, there is even more opportunity, the female cockatiel. So what we want to do is I'm going to click on questions here. And as you can see, these are questions that people are asking about the female cockatiel, and that could potentially give you some opportunity. As you can see, the keyword difficulty here is really low. Don't necessarily worry about volume, because when you create content, especially blog posts, you can rank for other keywords and keyword phrases. And so you just want to make sure that you are assessing the competition properly and potentially making money that way. Another thing that you could do is you could create a YouTube channel. Now, when you create a YouTube channel, you're going to be able to get traction, leads, and sales much faster than using a blog or creating blog posts. When you create a blog post, it's going to take a little bit of time. Google likes to verify and vet the information that you're creating. YouTube, not so much. So what we could do is we could type in pearl cockatiel, hit enter, and as you can see, there are people creating content about pearl cockatiels. The top result from 9 months ago, 25,000 views. This person has 35,000 subscribers. There's opportunity there. The one below it, 5,000 subscribers, 46,000 views. And what I would do here is I would simply go up, type in the type of cockatiel or animal or pet, whatever it is that you're doing, hit the space bar, and you can see people are asking questions and wanting to know more information about cockatiels. Another thing that you can do is you can go at the front here and type in how to space, hit the space bar, and you can see if people are asking questions. But this is going to be a pretty good opportunity in order to start finding opportunity within Walmart. Another thing that you can do is now that we know that we want to talk about cockatiels, If we go back here, pet supplies, and look at the pearl cockatiel once again. So under bird supplies, we are going to go down to cockatiel supplies, and then we could actually do review videos about these individual products. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click on this one right here, and I guarantee you people are entering and they're copying this right here. They're copying this keyword or keyword phrase, and they're pasting it right into YouTube because they want to know about this product before they buy it. So if I do that and I hit enter, you see the top result here. You can see the best bird cage for parrots. The top result, 4.3 thousand views, 212 subscribers. How to choose bird cages, 90,000 views, 2.85 thousand subscribers. So there's tons of opportunity here. In addition, if we jump back over to Google and I paste in the product name, you can see there's going to be opportunity here as well. People are asking questions about these different bird cages. And so there's a number of ways to start generating passive income. One thing that I would do, because it didn't actually come up, is no one's actually using the exact keyword. So I would do, let's see, I'm going to do that. And it says Smile Mart rolling mid-sized bird cage, hit enter. And let's see if people are actually creating content on this. Doesn't look like it, so that's an opportunity as well. So we could do best blank for cockatiel, and as you can see, it says best food for cockatiel bird, best cage, best toys, best diet, best food. These are all different opportunities for you to create content, and we just did best, and then we did an underscore for, and then cockatiel. You could do this for every single pet that's listed over here, and I guarantee you that this is a very unsaturated or underserved market. This top result, 3.8 thousand views, 470 subscribers. You could make content on this if you wanted to. You could buy a cockatiel. You don't necessarily have to create this type of content, but there's opportunity here. Cockatiel diet, 16,000 views, 827 subscribers. There's tons of opportunity here. 250,000 views, 175,000 subscribers. There is tons of opportunity here. I would jump on this. If you know anything about birds, if you want to learn about birds, you could essentially become an affiliate for Walmart and talk about cockatiels. You don't have to do cockatiels, but birds are a very good opportunity over on YouTube because it's going to be less saturated, as you can see, and there's tons of opportunity. Now that you know how to get started with the Walmart affiliate program, click the first link in the description for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. When you click that first link in the description, it'll take you to a free training where it'll show you how to get started step by step. Click that first link or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch these videos next to learn more tips and tricks to make money online with affiliate marketing. Also check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online with affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.